So this is a bullnose veranda on a roof. So just a corrugated iron roof. But I wanted to point out this has got gutter guard leaf protection here, and you can just see here how that is just filling up with rubbish in there. And what will happen is the bottoms of these sheets will rust out, because that's going to hold all the moisture there all the time through the day for a lot longer, and they'll just rust the bottoms off the sheets. So even though it's got gutter guard, the sheets themselves will start rusting if they don't clear them. And the other thing is, when you're walking on a bullnose, if you walk here in the middle of the sheet, you'll kink one of these sheets, and if you kink this, because of the way the sheets are, you can't actually pull this sheet out because it's twisted, and without lifting the whole roof. So if we kink this sheet here, it'll leak, and then you'll have to unscrew the whole roof to get a new sheet in place normally. So you always walk on tops of the screw heads, right, when you walk across the roof. And so here I've lifted a sheet here and just put a hammer to hold it up. But you can see what I mean here with the rust, is that up here on the tops of the sheets, where it's been just holding some moisture up underneath there, right, the tops of these bullnoses are starting to rust, and there's just nothing much to do about that particularly, but that's what will happen to your sheets. And then once they're rusted out, you'll need to resheet the roof. We're going to hop in and pump this full of cellulose fibre insulation, and this is what it looks like at the moment in there. So just a normal roof cavity, and as you can see, there's no insulation in here, but when we're done, this is going to have some good cellulose fibre insulation on the ceiling. Alright.